All right, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. Justin Clark here. Going to take a look at the Bitcoin and crypto markets. Hope you all are having a pleasant start to your Saturday. I know I sure am. Hit a couple trades this morning, doing pretty well so far. So anyway, when you come on here, if you want to let me know who you are or what part of the country you're tuning in from, that's always fun. And for those who do want market analysis like this, right to their inbox or push to their smartphone, you can follow me on Facebook, x.com, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, good morning, Troy. Welcome. Glad to have you here. All right, let's get right into this because I actually got stuff I got to go do today. I've already made almost $400 this morning, and now I got to go. So we'll see if there's anything else exciting happening in the trading world today. I mean, the alerts just keep going off and off and off, and that's always so cool. We're going to be covering a chart called the MA Momentum. It stands for Moving Average Momentum chart. For those who are members of iCoinPro, click on iCoinPro, my iCoinPro training. You can go to the Micro Profit System Part 3 and hit go, and that'll take you down. You can do this training, the MA Momentum training, pretty much at any point. It's a standalone training, any point when you're doing the 1 week course that we have. All right, let's dig into the trading portal. Wow, look at that. This was a trade I did this morning. Wow, 18% movement. Unbelievable. In the space of an hour. Crypto is just like nothing else, everybody. It's crazy. Anyway, I did trade that this morning, did very well, nicely. I did not take all full 18%, but that's part of our system. We take a little bit and then go for the next trade and the next trade and the next trade. And our system just finds the trades for us and then pushes us the notifications when they're happening. So, all right, what we want to look at here is the MA Momentum, stands for Moving Average Momentum chart. And I'm going to cover exactly how this all works. These red and green things here are called candles. They show the price action that happens over a period of time. In this case, we're looking at a 1-day chart. All right. Hey, Dwayne, good morning. Welcome, welcome. So each one of these candles shows a whole day's worth of trading that happens. On this chart, we have these moving averages here, this purple, maroon, yellow, green, etc. These lines are moving averages. This shaded area is called a Bollinger Band. When the Bollinger Band squeezes in, it can indicate potential volatility if the price breaks out of the Bollinger Band. It can create a bubble and increase volatility or movement in a direction. Okay, with that all said, here's how this chart works. When we are trading above all of these moving averages, right? In particular, when we start trading above this light purple moving average, we are building up potential bullish momentum and almost definitely not in a bear market at that point. All right. On the flip side, if we are trading below all of those moving averages, and in particular getting stuck below this light purple moving average, we are potentially building up bearish momentum and almost definitely not in a bull market at that point, and need to process out the sellers and then reconquer all of the moving averages to move back up. So where are we now? We're looking pretty good overall. The market is looking like it is wanting to trade above the light purple moving average here, which is great. So as long as we stay above that, at some point we might get a good candle upward. You know, that's generally how it happens. It'll kind of play around, and then whoop, and then start shooting up, you know. So that could happen. But if we lose this light purple moving average, then we could have trouble. So key resistance area is 110K on the downside, 100K, and then we got 95 and 90. Let's just call it as it is. We lose 89, 90K, we've got problems. Okay. Particularly, like you'll see a lot of times when we're not going to go down, if it goes down and then comes back up, or goes down, spends a little time, then comes back up, down and quickly back up, you know, those type of things are good. But when you get these situations where we go down, trade sideways, then further down, trade sideways, even if we get a little leg up, it's just momentum is starting to build, fear is starting to creep into the market, right? But these ones where we pop down and then pop right back up, that's obviously positive for the market. Like here, pop down, right back up. That encourages people to stay in the market when they see that. But again, we could be at the top. This could be a double top here, or we can be forming what's called a head and shoulders, which is where, hold on a second, let me let this load up. Hold on, why is it doing that? Hold on. This is the 1 week chart. So you can see here, we get this nice up. Then this would be the head, a little bit higher than this shoulder here. And then if we go down, head and shoulders is not a good formation. That's a trend breaking formation. So if we form that here, might not be good. Again, we just, we take it 1 day at a time, right? So we're not sure where we're going to go from here. But overall, I mean, this is pretty good as long as we stay above that 100K mark in this light purple moving average. The buyers are probably going to stay pretty happy. All right, let's flip over and take a look at longs and shorts. Longs and shorts are pretty much dead even. So no real concern here until they get over 70%. A long is somebody who's betting Bitcoin's going up, and a short is somebody who's betting Bitcoin's going down. And they're usually done with leverage, which means that they're borrowing money and making them very risky trades. So if the price starts moving too fast, these guys can get liquidated, or these guys can get liquidated. We don't get really concerned about this till we get over 70%. So this is like business as usual area. We just trade what we get. All right. Coins to trade. Let's see what's looking hot. XCN has been amazing. So this coin has been doing insane movement, 68% on that trade, 30% on that trade. It just pumped up and tried to retest this high again, didn't quite make it. So we'll have to see if it can get above that. But this party has been a fun party to be part of. So XCN remains good. Again, we just hit the high again, guys. So let's be cautious on this first dip sequence here. Don't get too crazy if it does a dip sequence. If it goes up higher, then the market's probably going to get nuts on this coin. Volume is staying extremely high. The market cap 700 million for this coin. We were up to 400 million. I mean, literally 50% of the market cap was turning over on this coin. It's just nuts. So it makes movement and everything that's so fun. Why this coin's blowing up, I'm not sure. Maybe somebody could tell me. I have no clue. I was looking at it. I was trying to understand why this volume is so high. Sometimes just nothing makes sense in crypto. You just roll with it. So, all right. Swift coin is also super awesome. Traded that this morning. So that's definitely on my list. Good volume there. And then Trump coin. Real simple. Traded Trump coin as well. So XCN, Swift, and Trump, those are the hot coins to trade. All right. If you guys want to learn how to trade crypto, and you're a newbie, we got a free boot camp for you. You can learn our main trade that we do. Just get back with the person who introduced you to iCoinPro, or share this video with you, or send an email to support@icoinpro.com. Also, if you do want market analysis like this, right to your inbox on the daily, pretty much, just go ahead and follow me on Facebook or x.com, or subscribe excuse me, to our YouTube channel. Apologize about that. All right, everybody, take care. Have a great rest of your weekend, and let's get next in these crazy crypto markets. Bye-bye, everybody.